Okay, so this game is just going through doors all the way to 100.
What?
I found some pencils.
To collect stuff.
What the
Oh!
fuck?
Oh, wait, you can hide in there.
Why do we need to hide though?
Yo, see. Can you?
Kill yourself.
Hide.
Why am I running? Oh, I hear him! I hear him!
Oh my god!
What,
What the
fuck? What
we
the
all
fuck
alive?
just happened?
That just gets jump scared by fucking finding
That was, what the fuck was that, dude?
I'm gonna kill myself.
Anyone
What
have
do
a
we
lighter?
do?
Just stay.
Oh my fucking god!
What? What?
What the fuck was that?
What?
Dude,
Ah! Oh my
okay, so I was
god!
walking.
What?
What the
What's going on?
What the fuck?
Yo, did you see him? Look at him. Okay, when you hear this, when you hear psst, you have to
I'm about
look.
to die, bro.
You have
I'm
to
already
look
dead.
everywhere
God,
and
what
find
the
him and
fuck?
look at him.
What's this?
Lighter. Oh, you have a lighter? Turn it on.
Oh, I got a lighter.
Bro, what's Jose, don't stop running, bro. Use the power of shadow.
Turn your light on, bro.
Jose.
Bro.
Bro, get your dick out of my face,
Bro, get your
bro.
dick in my face. How do you sit? Yeah, geek, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Yeah. Yeah, come here, Sonic. I love you. Miss Shadow. You're my favorite hedgehog. Ah, my balls. Ow. Ooh.
Hey, dab me up, bro.
What the fuck are you? Am I? What the? Huh? Okay.
Dab me up.
How do I do? Hey!
Yeah, what's your character model?
Oh, she walked away. Get back here, bitch.
The mod?
Cap. Alright. Running a train on this bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll play.
I got killed by some fucking. Ah! What the fuck?
What?
There's a spider. What the
Oh,
fuck?
right?
Jose, come back.
Okay.
You're not coming back.
What did?
That was Brandon.
Oh, I was about to say, bro. I haven't
Where
actually
is it?
heard that sound.
Ah!
Why called you scream?
Why does it do that? Why is it just sometimes?
key.
It just comes out of
Spiders.
nowhere, bro.
Yeah, you're too hot. Huh?
Huh?
Oh!
What? What?
I saw a spider, dude. He was on me.
Dude, Jose, you scared the shit out of me. Oh shit, nigga.
What?
Can I look back? I'm gonna look back.
No, bro.
Dude, this is fucking cool.
The music is like actually really good.
Oh fuck!
Oh shit!
It's not just straight. Holy shit!
Why? It sounds really close, but I know it's not. Ah! Mommy! Bro,
You ain't got shit on me, boy.
wait, I died.
Did we all make it?
Was it?
Did
not,
you
I was
die?
dead.
Was it not chasing y'all, bruh?
It was chasing
was.
all of us.
Bro, why did I die
Both
then?
died. Because you probably ran through the fire.
I ran through the fire. You just told me that. What the fuck?
Oh
What the
yeah,
fuck?
buddy. Oh yeah, buddy. Look at it, he just fucking moonwalked on our ass, bro. Yeah, we do.
Jose.
Fuck!
Don't-
Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Oh, but how's it going to the comeback?
Bro,
I
what
go
is
looking for
that?
One more.
Right, I spent an hour doing this.
For real,
No, I was
bro.
saying, just talking to my sister's her fucking birthday, you dyke.
Lie again,
died.
bro. You were
I will
like, hey,
rape you. I will.
you're like, hey, give me some tips, bro.
No, that
like
200 gigabyte game, bro. Come on.
What the fuck?
What was that noise?
He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
You're lying. You're lying.
Oh,
Where am I? Where am I?
What the
Where am
fuck?
I? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I?
Just run, just run, just run.
Run away from him. Just avoid him.
What's the what? I'm scared!
Avoid,
oh shit!
motherfucker,
What the
dude.
fuck? What the fuck is that, bro?
You have to avoid him.
Ah! I'm dead.
He's drumming, bro.
Where's the door?
Ah, the bitch! Ah!
Fuck!
Ow. Why did
Oh,
you
shit,
say
look at it!
guys?
Damn, it's
Meow.
dark as shit, bro.
Bro, grab her coochie. She won't be able to tell who it was.
Alright, cool. You're projecting now.
I'm here, bruh.
Where you at?
Bro, she better kill you.
She's just waiting, bro, naked.
Cole, chill.
I'm horny,
Bro,
bro.
what's wrong with you?
Yeah, I know. Why you keep projecting as
I'm
fuck?
I'm tired of
Band-Aid.
dying, bruh.
Dude, I've never seen a spider in the drawer.
Bro, it's fucking scary. I was like, huh, that's new, and that popped out at me.
I have
Never
the
seen a
key.
spider.
He used all A to like to jerk me off.
Alright, Cole, chill.
What is going on?
This
with
dude is like down horrendous right now.
Bro, it's my arc. It's the horny arc.
Alright guys, I'm on Roblox.
Are you actually serious?
Nope.
Michael, you suck.
For real, Michael. It's already depressed.
I die. I kind of have to do something.
Oh, I heard him!
Where?
I heard him.
I don't know.
With the piss small. Ah!
Did you?
I got scared, bruh. Oh, I dodged it. How do you dodge it? Do you like move your mouse
You
while it
look at
happens?
him.
No, you have to look at it before it attacks.
Oh, you bitch again!
I'm trying.
Alright, that was actually real. That was real. Look around. Look around. Look around. Ah! Did I dodge it? No, I didn't.
Level 50, baby.
I've never been this far, bro. Let's go. I've never done this. What's up? I'm about to stick my dick in your fucking face.
What?
What?
Fucking bitch killed me during the cutscene.
Jose, how do you do this?
He's
Get in,
chasing
bro.
you.
Right?
It's on the other side of that shell.
Oh, 1-7.
Let's go. Get in, get in, get in.
Get in!
Yeah.
He's juking though. He's juking
Get
though.
in, bro.
RB game.
Ah! He's ain't shit!
Why is Jose?
Fucking Ryan! What the shit was that? Were you sucking his dick, dude?
Okay.
Oh.
Wait, did the
in
lights
vent.
flicker? Did the lights
Yeah,
flicker?
yeah. Get in the vent. Get in the vent. You're safe in the vent. 100%.
Oh shit, my god, in there! Ah! Ah, you're on there!
I saw Cole running, bro.
You try to get in mine too.
Wait,
what a
but
retard.
there was two people in the vent. What the fuck? There was two people in the vent.
I know, I was in the vent.
You were in the vent, Jose was in the vent too, right?
No, I was in the closet.
Oh, of course you were, you fucking gay lord.
Oh, is that why you're dead?
Yeah, that is why I'm dead. I died because you guys are all gay and you live in the closet, so I couldn't join the closet.
Hey, fuck that shit,
Y'all
bro.
look retarded right now on my screen.
Are we all together?
Yes, you're all together. It-
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh god,
Bye.
it's right here.
Pinky
Run away
is the
from
monster, bro.
Silly goose.
Holy shit.
Oh my god! You scared the shit out of me.
You guys look so stupid.
Sup, bitch? I'm gonna catch you drinking my cum.
Dripping.
What?
You heard me.
Let's go, Shraggets.
Ooh, we're like
What the fuck is that?
what the fuck was that, bro?
What
I
the
don't know
fuck
what
was
the fuck
that?
just happened, bro? That was weird as fuck.
I'm doing heartbeat game.
Should I beat his ass for you? Is this guy bothering you, babe?
Let me type it in the chat,
What
bro.
the? What?
Circle,
Hey, hey,
diamond,
knock that shit off. That's my girlfriend. Hey, hey, hey.
pentagon.
Am I bothering you, babe?
Cool. What's the cat? What's it again?
No!
Uh,
If I die, I don't care.
Yeah, but how do you feel about the game? I ain't doing that shit. Kill yourselves.
Bruh.
That's actually.
Let's go.
What?
I heard that. Ah!
Look at Brandon fucking tryharding, bro. Get some bitches on your dick.
You've never even had anything on your dick, bro.
Have my
Damn.
hand, bro.
Oh
Take
shit.
that back, bro. I literally fucked myself.
Personally,
Cool,
I
put the
wouldn't let him
gun
disrespect me
down.
like
Shut the hell up, woman.
that.
Oh,
the fuck?
my god!
Brandon instigating.
Y'all want to
Playing
get
off-
roofied? What? I'm not capturing. I think that's honestly a crutch for retards.
Ooh, last one living.
The last one living is depressed. Good job.
Who isn't?
Me. I'm literally the only one who has never been seriously depressed.
It's
Fuck.
because you're white.
Exactly, Brandon. Get fucked on.
Get fucked on. That's actually super funny.
Thanks, Michael. Appreciate it.
There's nothing wrong with the white power. I'm gonna
Garrett?
to be honest.
Michael, I'm finally glad that one of you brown people came to senses.
Jesus Christ.
God, shut
Bro,
up.
you're not just mad because I'm winning.
I'm winning,
Yeah,
man.
bro.
You back your-
I
You
gotta
beg
play
me
life
like
on
why?
easy mode. Y'all can suck my balls. Never look back. Never went slow.
Hey,
Never
bitch.
Shut your Lego looking ass up, bitch.
Hi.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, everybody get in the closet.
Come on, bitch. Ah!
Oh, running for his life.
Did he make it?
Yeah, we all here.
It was right here.
I did not make it.
That's me, sorry.
Ah! Sorry, he was right there, bro.
Bro, I didn't even hear it.
No,
I'll do it.
No,
I'm
I'll
doing
do
it. I'm
Jen,
doing
no,
it.
come on.
I'm
get back.
doing it.
I'm doing it.
I'm doing it.
I'm gonna do.
Gang.
Bro, why are you like cheese?
Oh, he dies to a jump scare.
Oh
Right?
no.
Your brothers
Dude.
are.
Oh,
Okay,
you're left,
you-
Cole. You're left. You're
You
left.
guys gotta be real. Is there a jump scare? I'm not fucking around right now.
I don't know.
It's dark, bro. I can't see shit.
Turn your light
Open the
around, bro.
door, bro.
Shut the fuck up, Brandon. Dude, I'm.
Oh,
He's
Oh,
in
you did
here,
too
man.
early.
He's in
too
here.
early. Too early, bro.
Oh, it's the green one. It's the green one.
I know.
I got pissed. Oh my
Get out.
Oh,
god. Jose, come on,
Wait, how many times does he go back, bro? What the fuck?
bro.
Until you go to the next door.
What the fuck?
What?